I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.
Thank you. 2 for 1. I think it's 2 for 1.
Because here in Marrakech we used to have plenty of gardens like this one. This one and Agdar garden we passed by it yesterday. And we have there pools like this one. 7 pools inside Agdar, 1 here, and everywhere around Marrakech we have pools like this, where we used to collect water. Okay? Before to distribute that water to the whole town. Okay? This plays a key role for irrigational system and for drinkable water back then in centuries ago. Nowadays, this is just a place, is a resort, a garden, as you can see, and this water serves to normally to irrigate the plants here or the trees. Okay, that is the purpose of this. And in the past, it used to be also a military ground where militaries at that time learned to swim, how to swim, and you know, it's a training ground. It's a training ground. So here inside there is a fish. I'm going to show you that later. Okay? Yes.
And how deep is it?
It's 180, 1 meter, 80 centimeters. Okay.
We're gonna be 2 hearts running wild.
This side, on the right side. So it's walled up, and those over there, the entrances to the mosque. Here in this area, it used to be a palace called the Palace of the Stones.
Palace of the Stones.
Yes, and over there you can see the vestige of that palace.
What's the name again of the
Kutubiyya Mosque. So here, if you get lost, Kutubiyya Mosque is the landmark of Marrakech. We saw Kutubiyya Mosque from the Minaragat, and we can see it actually from 7 different avenues. Yesterday we see it from an avenue, today we see it from 2 other avenues, and you can see it from 7. It's like a roundabout of, you know, of 7 avenues, and they make all of them, they made into the yellow. So, ladies and gentlemen, please come closer. I want you to explain this because it's very important.
Okay.
This normally Kutubiyya Mosque, when Almohads got power. Almohads is a dynasty that turned Morocco, that governed Morocco in the late 12th century. When they got power, because they were tribes from Highlands Mountain, when they invade the town, they came to Marrakech. And they don't want people to remember the previous dynasty. That's why they destroyed the Palace of the Stones. And they left only that vestige over there. So those columns you've seen here, they used to be supporting, used to be the columns that support the old palace. Okay? And they covered this area.
2 hearts running wild.
Here, this area is known as Mallah.
Mallah?
Yeah, which means, yeah, Mallah is the Jewish neighborhood. Okay? There is the main entrance to the Jewish neighborhood, and those shops you see around used to be Jewish shops. And over there, if you go through that and you turn right, you'll find Bahia Palace. Bahia Palace is the incomparable, built during the 16th century by a dynasty called Saadians. Okay, so Bahia Palace, they call it the incomparable because in the past, as you know, that palace was really incomparable. Okay, because it was made of, you know, Moroccan architecture, but decorated with marble brought from Carrara and with gold inlaid on the ceilings. Okay, that's why. And in the middle, in the courtyard of that palace, there is pools. It was the most beautiful palace in the world. Nowadays, it's just
Moonlight, summer sky, it was the best we ever had. And we'll stay on forever, we'll never have regrets. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shot from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. We're gonna be. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young, it is just begun.
so. From the same tree, we get fleur d'oranger. You know fleur d'oranger in French, the orange blossom. It smells so good, and we extract a nice blossom. We extract a nice fragrance. We use it as a fragrance. We use it also for Moroccan pastries. You might taste and the flavor of the pastries here in Morocco. They have that orange blossom on them.
Two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. It laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light.
This area was normally built in the late 19th kilometers by a man called Ahmed bin Musa. Ahmed bin Musa was the prime minister and the regent of the king back then on the late 19th century. And over there, that picture in the corner is his picture, because he was the most powerful man, who was the regent of the king. The king at that time was young, 12 years old. He could not rule over Morocco. King Moulay Abdelaziz. Then that guy got the power and he decided to build his own palace, which is Bahia Palace. And Bahia is the name of a lady, a Moroccan lady, an Arabic lady. Is, you know, Bahia means, you know, a lady who glitters, who shines. Yeah, before the palace was completely achieved. Okay, that guy, this palace is a story of love and the story of sadness. Okay, so that one, we decided to build it. We also first, and we take all the years to complete about 6 years, and we brought that one to the we brought the okay, and that one is about 6,000 and the 8,000 square meters. Okay? Whenever someone came to him at that time to ask him for a favor, he would procrastinate. You know that word, Procrastination. Yes, always you say tomorrow. If you ask me, I say until tomorrow. You can't tomorrow, I say until tomorrow, and so on until next week. This is procrastination. Okay? So he would procrastinate by saying until Bahia will be finished. Until Bahia Palace will be finished. Today, if I want to procrastinate, I do the same. I say until Bahia will be finished. Okay? This is the first scene. Okay, now so all rules in the past used to be, because here this first part, it used to be an administration. Administration where the Prime Minister used to walk with his cabinet book. And those rules, the first.
We lay awake in bed, the laugh so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. The moonlight, summer sky, it was the best we ever had. And we'll stay young forever. We'll never have regrets. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. We're gonna be. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young, and it's just begun as she puts her hand